I'm Carol Weber, and I'm a Director of Technical Innovation at Gates Corporation. I'm a lifelong athlete. I started running in grade school and then picked up triathlons right after college. Triathlons are really hard, and I like it because it's really hard. You do break it down into small parts to achieve that big goal. If you have a swim that wasn't good, you shake it off. You get on your bike and you go for a bike ride. Then you get to go for a run. It is that breaking it down into small parts, achieving a big goal. And I like that challenge of how it transfers into the engineering world. If you set a goal and look at it small parts at a time, it's achievable. It's not about medals, it's not about winning, it's about health and lifelong dedication to something that makes you happy. Gates is one of the founding sponsors of the Colorado Classic. The Colorado Classic is the only women's standalone stage race in the entire country, and Gates is extremely proud to be part of that. What we're looking for is this piece of equity for women in sports. Some of these women, this is a part-time job for them. They also have full-time jobs and families. Men's teams are paid multifold what women's teams are paid. And we've been talking about it a lot recently. We see that with the U.S. soccer team. We see that with the Colorado Classic, the women that will be here. And we've seen that in corporate America as well. There weren't any women in the workplace when I first started working. And so I've seen a lot of changes in that. I've seen more women that are interested in using their own talents. And I think that is key. All of us using our own talents to the best. And you will be blown away by these women. People often say that for women to achieve what they have, whether it's in that professional sport or in a professional career, they have got to be a true badass. And so come see these women. They are going to really blow you away on the course.